Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Maris De Luna from Malasiki, Pangasinan, Philippines. I am 26 years old. I am happy married and blessed with one daughter and she is 5 years old. My educational attainment is high school graduate. I had experience here in Philippines as a domestic helper in 4 years. First, my employer, 2 years finished contract. I served 3 members of the family, the couple and their newborn baby. My duties and responsibilities are taking care of their newborn baby, cooking, washing and ironing clothes, cleaning the house, and washing the dishes. My second employer, 2 years, finished contract. I served 3 members of the family, the couple and their 5 years old son. My duties and responsibilities are taking care of their 5 years old son, cooking, cleaning the house, washing and ironing clothes, washing the dishes, and going to market. To my future employer, please hire me because I am a loyal, trustworthy, and hardworking woman. Thank you, and I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.